Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. I am so excited for today's video because we are talking about something every plant lover wants to know, the biggest indoor plants trends of 2025. If you are living in the USA, whether you are in an apartment, a small home, or a big open space, these plants are going to completely transform the way your home looks and feels. And the best part, every plant I am mentioning today is beginner friendly, aesthetic, and currently going viral. And we are so if you are sitting with your coffee, your notebook, or maybe one of your own plants, let's get into the top 7 trending indoor plants of 2025. Number 1 is the most trending plant of 2025 is none other than the monstera, and also known as the Swiss cheese plant. This plant continues to dominate interior design trends in the USA because of its large dramatic split leaves and that instantly make a room look fresh, modern, and full of life. Now let's talk about the care of this plant. Number one is light, bright indirect light, water once a week or when top 2 inches dry, humidity medium, fertilizer twice a month during summer, growth grows very fast, become large in 1 year. Mistakes to avoid: don't keep in low light, leaves wouldn't split, don't overwater, don't keep near heater. Place your monstera in a corner of your living room in a tall, white, or natural redden baskets next to the lamp. This plant is not just a trend, it's a lifestyle in 2025. Second on our list is one of the cutest and most minimalist friendly plant is sweet heart plant. And why trending in 2025? The reason is a minimal decor style is extremely popular in the USA. This plant is used as a gift during Valentine's Day and viral on TikTok due to its heart-shaped leaves. Now the care guide: the light, medium or bright light, water every 10 to 14 days, soil fast draining mix, and growth slow but steady. Mistakes to avoid: don't keep the soil wet, don't place in complete shade, and don't report too often. Place the plant on a small decorative shelf next to candle or books. It adds a sweet, warm, and touch to any room. This plant is loved for its simplicity and symbolism, and in 2025, simple plants with sentimental meaning are trending hard. The next is alocasia. Alocasia is a very beautiful plant and the people love it for its bold arrow-shaped leaves and strong white veins. It looks like something from a tropical jungle. And why trending in 2025? The reason is interior designers love statement plants, creates a luxury aesthetic and looks amazing with LED strip lights or warm lamps. The care guide is the light, bright, indirect, humidity high, water keeps soil slightly moist, and placement bathroom, kitchen, and bright corners. Mistakes to avoid: never let it sit in a soggy soil, keep away from direct sunlight, leave burns, and avoid very dry room. Place it near a round mirror or under a warm light lamp and its glossy leaves shine beautifully. Rubber plants have made a huge comeback. They are tall, elegant, and perfect for modern apartment life. People love vertical plants that make small space feel bigger. Rubber plant varieties are very popular and they are extremely hardy. Care guide: bright light, wipe leaves weekly, water every 7 to 10 days, and the mistakes to avoid: dark room, too much water, and dusty leaves. Perfect near the TV stand or in the hallway enter space. Calathea is beauty queen of 2025. Its giant silver striped leaves bring a calm, spa-like vibe to your home. Why it is trending? It is a pet safe, gorgeous leaves with artistic patterns and perfect for soft aesthetic decor. Care guide: this plant needs medium light, high humidity, and distilled water preferred. Decor ideas is works beautifully in bedroom or study rooms, adds a peaceful touch. The next is string of turtle is trending across USA apartment because of its tiny pattern leaves and trailing vines. Why this plant is trending? The number one reason is perfect for shelves. Number two, perfect for small space. Number three, looks amazing in hanging baskets. The care tips is this plant needs indirect light, light watering, well draining soil. The decoration ideas is hang near windows or place on our floating shelves. The next is stained pothos. The stained pothos, one of the most photogenic plants of 2025. People love its velvety silvered leaves. Why it is so trending? Easy to care, look premium, perfect for small apartments. Care guide is low to medium light, water weekly, trim for shape. The next plant is aglonema. This plant has three beautiful colors: pink, cream, and green. It is trending because it looks very colorful and pretty. Keep in medium light and water when the top soil dries. The next is Hoya plants, also called wax plant. Hoyas are easy and very popular in the USA, and variegated Hoyas have white or pink edges which look beautiful, and bright lights, less water. Next one is variegated alocasia. These plants have special patterns on their leaves. People love them for their unique look. They like humidity and lightly moist soil. The next is variegated banana plants. These banana plants have white, green, and sometimes pink pattern. They give a tropical big leaf look and bright light and moist soil. The other one is air plants. These plants don't need soil, just air. Very popular for small space and hanging decors. Spray with water or soak once a week. The next and last is small, cute, tiny plants are trending because many people live in small apartments. They look prefer to these plants on shelves and desks, and very little water and indirect light. And that brings us to the end of our 10 minutes plants journey. Which of these 2025 trending plants is your favorite? Comment below and reply to everyone. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a new plant video. Keep growing, keep glowing, and I will see you in the next one. Take care.